poppin', boys? Welcome back to a new video. We got my boy back here.
And what's your boy?
And it's actually thundering now.
Yeah, it was like thunder now.
Yeah.
And he actually got like flashlight right beside us, man.
Yeah, I was free. I didn't get to see it, but like Callum saying but he said it's in front of me, and I feel very energetic.
Oh, I got a helicopter.
Alright, well, we're playing my Xbox in Modern Warfare.
Yeah, boy. Oh, crap, no. I'm just literally picking the saw, man, going all out, man.
No, good. Right, well, I just wanted to make a little quick heads up, and that'll be this episode. Once again, boys, selling out. Boom!